Hi everyone, let me show you how to make a tassel. It is so easy, unbelievable. I used this, it's like a glass case thing. It's about 10 to 12 centimeters long. This is for this long one, or you can use something a bit smaller like a bank card if you need a smaller tassel. And 2 little strands of yarn to tie the tassel. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your choice of yarn and you wrap it around the card. I do 10 times, you can do it less. You're going to cut the tail off and you're going to take one of your pieces of yarn and take it from the end without the cut bits, and you're going to make a couple of knots, and then you're going to cut this end off like so, and then you're going to take your other strand, put it underneath, bring this over, and again make a couple of knots on here, which will give you the little bobble at the top. And then you are going to cut the ends off. If the end is long enough, you can add it to the bunch. Cut this top off, and there you have a tassel. Super easy, it takes hardly any time at all. And there you go.